Hey everybody, how's it going? Today, let's take a look at this 1992 Nissan Stanza XE. And this is going to be a full, in-depth tour of the Stanza. We'll start up, show the engine, go over the performance data, and show you a bunch of the features on the interior as well as exterior. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and start it up, let it run. Gray and black interior, cloth bucket seats, automatically retractable seat belts. This particular car is absolutely in fantastic shape. Just needs a real good paint job. It's got 238,000 miles. Fires right up. Smooth steering. It's got a 4-speed automatic transmission with overdrive. Yeah, let's go ahead and put down the windows. Automatic driver's side. Headlights, as well as the hazards. Yeah, let's go ahead and check out the exterior, shall we? Factory wheel covers. Manual sunroof. Go ahead and pop the hood. The Stanza comes with a standard 2.4 liter, 138 horsepower 4-cylinder. Has 154 foot-pounds of torque. Running strong. Cloth door inserts. Like I said, all power windows, power locks, power mirror switches located up on the dash. Embroidered floor mats. Manual driver's seat. Trunk and fuel cap release. These two knobs independently adjust the height of the bottom cushion. Does have a tilt steering wheel. And let's go ahead and see how she sounds. Sounds fantastic. The lap belt is down here. Just pull it out, click it in, you're good to go. Cruise control located here and here. Turn it on. tape deck, simple to use climate control, different zones, digital clock, rear defrost, sport button for the automatic transmission, whether you want more power or set to a comfort setting. Integrated cup holders. Attaches via magnet. Like I said, it is a manually removing sunroof. To remove the key, just turn it, push this little button here, and it releases it. Check out the rest of the vehicle, shall we? Place to put your fuel cap. Integrated ashtray. Fairly roomy back seat. Provides good comfort. Tops and bottoms of the doors are also nicely padded, if I failed to mention that earlier. Roomy trunk. Manual lumbar for the driver's seat. Manual passenger seat. Very nice automobile. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this in-depth tour in the 1992 Nissan Stanza. Be sure to stay tuned next time, there's a lot more where that came from. Take care everybody.